little learners. Welcome to our ice cream world, where we learn colors and counting with yummy, colorful ice creams. Are you excited? Let's scoop into the fun. Scene 1. The ice cream shop. Here we are at the ice cream shop. Wow! Look at all these tasty scoops. Let's learn their colors. Shopkeeper. Welcome, kids. Choose your favorite scoops and count along with me. Scene 2. Color scoops. Let's look at our first ice cream scoop. 1 pink strawberry scoop. Say it with me. Pink. 1 scoop. A single pink scoop glowing softly. Next, 2 yellow lemon scoops. Color. Yellow. Count. 1, 2. 2 yellow scoops stacked. Now, 3 green apple scoops. Color. Green. Count. 1, 2, 3. 3 green scoops wobbling playfully. Yum! Let's keep going. Scene 3. Delicious rainbow stack. Wow! Look at this giant rainbow ice cream stack. Let's learn more colors and count the scoops. 4 blue blueberry scoops. Color. Blue. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 purple grape scoops. Color. Purple. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 orange mango scoops. Color. Orange. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 red cherry scoops. Color. Red. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The ice cream is getting taller. Don't let it fall. Ice cream wobbling but stays balanced. Kids giggle. Scene 4. Fun counting game. Let's play a game. Scoops will pop on the screen, and you say the color and number. Scoops pop randomly. Pink. 1. Green. 3. Blue. 4. Orange. 6. You're doing amazing. Let's try harder ones. Purple. 5. Yellow. 2. Red. 7. Scene 5. Special surprise sundae. Now it's time to make our special rainbow sundae. We need all scoops from 1 to 10. A big bowl appears. Let's add them one by one. 1 pink. 2 yellow. 3 green. 4 blue. 5 purple. 6 orange. 7 red. 8 mint. 9 chocolate. 10 bubble gum. Each scoop drops into the bowl with a fun sound. Wow! Look at that colorful sundae. You counted perfectly. All ice cream scoops shout. Great job, kids. You learned colors and counting today. Keep practicing. Keep smiling and keep learning. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more sweet adventures. Bye-bye, ice cream friends.